Okay, today is June the 26th, 2017, and right now at 10:15 p.m. we have a temperature of 76 degrees in the foothills of Los Angeles. We have a relative humidity of 26%. The dew point is 39 degrees, and we have a barometric pressure of 29.92. And we had hot weather again today in the Los Angeles area. Got up to 99 degrees in the foothills with very low humidity, around 12%. And here we see Hurricane Dora. This is right off the Mexican coast. These waters down here are right around 83, 84 degrees. And look at the eyewall on this storm. That's very well defined. That's a big eyewall. And also look at the blast pattern on this storm. This has been targeted with microwave all day long. And we can see that blast pattern. This is where they superheat the core of this storm, the center of it. We have rapidly expanding water vapor that shoots out radially from the center all the way around, and we see the blast pattern. And so this is how they've maintained a Category 1 status all day long. They've let this slowly ramp up. If we look at the hurricane map right now, the National Hurricane Center map, Dora has a core pressure of 981 millibar. I don't know if you can see that. This is all overexposed. And storm is moving at 13 miles per hour to the west-northwest, Category 1. Okay, so let's go back to these maps and take another look. We have the water vapor map, the East Pacific water vapor map, and we see Dora right here. We see that blast pattern as well, all the way around. Also, there's a number of supercells along the Mexican coast that are being targeted. Right up here, you see a big shock wave blowing out of the east side. So this storm is being superheated, this supercell, and also right down here. But this is the best evidence right here. That shock wave is evident. Let's look at the infrared map. We can see what happens to that first cell right there. It just implodes. And we see the shock wave moving out right there. Maybe hard to see, but it's there, right there towards the end. All right, now here's the visible light map. You see that eye wall, very well defined. And we have some photoshopping. We can't really see what's going on. That sparkly stuff, that's the photoshopping. Okay, let's take a look now at the northeast Pacific water vapor loop. We can see the jet stream flowing down. It's mushrooming right into an area of high pressure. This is a blockade that's been installed. Nothing is getting down into this area of high pressure. Notice this hurricane right here is walling up against, there's high pressure all down this area. We see this big cutout. Nothing is getting into this area. So we have a blockade starting to form. Right here we see a circular area which is slightly moving clockwise. This storm is forecasted to move out west. They've got high pressure set up here. So we're going to have some warm weather for the next several days through the end of the week as this storm is prevented from moving anywhere near California. Keep an eye on that. Here is the infrared loop. We can see the jet stream mushrooming right here. It's blockaded by all this high pressure. Nothing is getting anywhere near the eastern Pacific. There is some moisture offshore here. Let's take a look at the western U.S. water vapor map. We can see all these thunderstorms are being pushed away, bulldozed away by all this developing high pressure. Nothing is getting into California. The telecast Doppler map. Zero rain in California. Okay, no rain. And so the people controlling our weather are preventing any of this thunderstorm activity to get anywhere near California. And this hurricane, the same thing, this will be pushed out to the west. And look at this moisture field right down here. It's not getting anywhere. It's just stationary. All right. So that is the report. Just leave it right here. And we will do another update tomorrow on Hurricane Dora. All right, that's it.